This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink a shape to a phone number in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. To hyperlink a shape to a phone number in Word, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is select the shape. If your shape has text on it like mine does, you want to make sure that you don't select the text. I'm going to place my mouse cursor over the border of the shape until my mouse cursor becomes crosshairs. I'm going to left click. I have the shape selected now. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the Insert tab, and click on the Insert tab. Then on the ribbon, you want to go about halfway down to where you see it says Link, and click on Link. Then you'll go straight down to where it says Insert Link and click on Insert Link. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Existing File or Web Page. Make sure you're on that tab. Then go down to the address area down here, and in the address box you want to type in this formula right here. Tel : followed by the phone number including the area code. Then you want to end it in a /. Then you'll go down to the bottom down here and click on OK. Now if I place my mouse cursor over that shape there, you can see it says it's hyperlinked to that telephone number right there. And to test it, you hold down the Control key and click on the shape. Left click on the shape while holding down the Control key. It opens up my phone app. That is how to hyperlink a shape to a phone number in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.